Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Robles Gamer, and there's this new game of Angry Birds. It's called Angry Birds Evolution, and I just got launched into the game. I don't know what's happening. No, they're taking the eggs. Those green whippersnappers snapped our eggs. Okay, don't get your granny panties in a twist. We'll get them back. Always have, always will. Are you sure about that? Let's end these pigs. Just kidding, we're not murderers. Or are we? Anyways, drag to aim, release to shoot. Kill them all! Oh, ow, whoa. Ooh. Explode them all! Explodies. Explode time. No, he's asleep. I'm gonna kill them all. If you hear something in the background, that's just like a family. Okay. Oh. Or could I do something like? Would that be a KO for both? Are you kidding me? Okay, now they're dead. Finally. I wonder why they're not even like regular birds. Like, yeah. Okay, how long is it gonna take? No, they still have our eggs. You monsters. The pigs had families. I don't care. Dicky mow their mouth. Don't get caught yet. There's way more where they came from. We can get some serious help. But first, let's take over these pigs. Come on, let's head to Eagle Mountain. I know a guy that can help. The Great Eagle! Hopefully. Loading. Loading. Okay, we're here now. Every Angry Bird has a super shot. Mine can be used every 3 attacks. Oh my gosh. Wait, that. Okay. Attack them all. Okay. Is this? No, don't hurt me. Okay, let me grab the heart and then I could attack them all. Yes. Don't punch me. Oh, I thought that was a punch. Okay. Knockout. Yes. Can I do it? This is Sparta. Oh, no, it's not. It's Angry Birds. No! I said no. No! What are you trying to do? No. Did you just throw something at me? No, I do not appreciate that. Fire! You're dead! Okay, yeah, you're dead. Ha! Explosions! Now we take their stuff. Like their organs. Pay dirt to see. Okay. Okay, what is inside? Coins. That sucks. Level 2, I made it. First scout. Cool. Loading. Okay, we're done here. Okay, wait, what's this? I get a letter. Don't care about this. Okay, we're loading, yes. Loading. We're loading. Did you know we're loading? Oh no. My screen flipped. No! What's happening? Fine. Hey! And switch. Why isn't this... I'll just play it the other way. Okay. Okay. Let's see what to do. Kill them all, hopefully. And find out what's in the chest. And kill them all. Kill them all. Kill. Oh! Ooh, who's behind there? Okay, we're back. Okay, he just exploded coins. Why are you on fire? I'm pretty sure you should see a doctor. Like, you're on fire. Like, that's cool and all, but like, you're on fire. Oh my gosh. Is that the light you see before you die? Don't care. Yay, got a coin. Diamonds or gems, I don't care. Oh my gosh, it's a little bird. I don't really care. Leveling is a good way to make inventory space. Good for you. Hopefully. So, okay, it's a dangerous to go to one. Let's recruit some angry birds to add to our flock. Okay, who do we have? This hatchery where you'll find babies and angry. Okay, cool. Your team. Okay. Ooh, so I have a little egg. Where you hatch them, I give it a go. Okay. Ooh, free hatch. Oh my gosh. Someone help, it exploded. Ooh. Ooh. No, I want to get this egg. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Congrats, your mother. Now, I'm a guy. These stars indicate a bird power. You need bundle of joy has 3 stars. Rare catch. Go ahead and put him in the team. Good for you. Hopefully. Drag your new bird into... Increase his as you add birds with strong team. Stronger pigs. That's cool. That's cool. Let's keep going. Alright, sorry. Okay. Okay, let's head to the Mount Uvu, or Mount Piggy Poop. That looks like Piggy Hulk. Let's kill it. Wait, smash you. You look like you need help. You seriously look like you need help. Like, it looks like you've been smashed through many buildings at once. Everywhere. Okay, keep it rolling. Bonus damage, back attack. Ooh. Smash it. Okay, what if I like... Attack. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I did it. Kill them all. No, don't. No, no. No. Oh, now you made her angry. Yeah, now you made her angry. Kill them all. Okay, only 2 attacks. Ooh, wait, but yes. What just happened? No. That's good. Can I kill him now? No! Wake up! Oh my gosh. Oh, he's dead. He is really dead. Yay. We yellow birds can pierce through enemies with our super shots. Nobody stands in our way. Except a wall. I guess that's not a nobody, but like, it's a wall. Like, it's a wall. So you're saying you can beat through a Hulk? A pig Hulk? But you can't beat through a wall. That's sad. A shiny bird, quite the rare find. These guys are worth a lot of XP or gold. Tap them for info. Info. Yes. Super shot causes an explosion dealing 29 damage. Within reach, hit enemies are tagged to receive 30% more damage from blackbirds. Next turn. Racist. Yay! Level 3! What did I get? Second scout. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Keep it rolling. Hopefully we make it. It's already been over 10 minutes and then I'm still, I don't know, on the third. Welcome to my slice of paradise, the cave of eaglitude, more like eatlitude, because you eat a lot. Come in close and listen up. The future of the bird island depends on it. Are you sure about that? That's what I thought. Anyway, I hear you got a pig problem. No, it's a big problem, not pig problem. Okay, what do we do? I really love to help, but I'm afraid I'm busy. Yes, I'm saving another island from a certain doom pretty much all week. Yeah, totally. Is that an excuse for, like, eating everything in sight? Yeah, pretty sure. Eagle Force. There's only one bird that could possibly fill my shoes. And that bird is actually a team of birds. The most powerful flock of birds in existence. Eagle Force! Hopefully. I once led Eagle Force, foiling evil, saving the day from unending onslaught of pigs. Okay, no. Art, anger, conquered anything back then. Are you sure about that? But then I moved on to preserve my creative individual. Begin to find specimen you see before you. Ooh, I don't care. Skip the cutscene. Yellow birds. Okay, I know that. I might end it after 2 more levels. Hopefully. Ow. Just fell off my chair. What? Fine, I'll just finish this entire level thing and then let's keep going. Keep it going. Those pigs are too strong for us. Time to beef up. Are you sure about that? Because we don't have no beef. We only got birds. We don't have any cows. Unless Mighty Eagle would spare his life. Thanks for helping with the big piggy in the cave. I would have taken out, no problem. But I kick an oven and didn't want to burn up. Yeah, totally. Okay. But what if I don't want that? Wait. Level up. Cool. What if I don't want you to level up? But then I'm just killing another bird. Oh my gosh, unlimited power now. Ready to take on some pigs. Hopefully. Okay. Fight. Okay. Loading. It's a loaders. Loader toters. Okay, what if I hit him from the back? Okay, yeah, the lag is real. Oh, if I hit him in the back. Hit him in the back, Joe. Hit them all in the back. No, don't hurt them. Okay, now they're both dead. Don't. We will attack you. There we go. Oh, she burning mad. Oh, ooh. Ooh, I got an egg, 2 eggs. I said, don't hit me. Okay, cool. Are you kidding me? Well, you got to be kidding me. I said, no! Knockout. Okay, now he's dead. Grab everything. Yeah, it looks like he is gonna die. Ooh, we have eggs. Who are these? They're weird. Activates when a counter reaches 0. Are you sure about that? Okay. Loading. Beep. Okay, next level. Maybe I'll use a panel and ninja where everything made of eggs. Keep dreaming. Never gonna make it. Edit team if I can. Wait, I want to see which one's stronger. I'll level up here. Okay, did I do well? Wait, what? $213. Okay, I can use you. Turn a bit on your current. Then I'll take her off my team. Get off my team. I don't want you on my team. There you go. But then... There you go. Okay, now we're good. Okay, no one is there yet. And fight. Okay, that's cool. That makes you more vulnerable. Oh no, there's a spider. Oh no, it's gonna kill me. Okay, wait. Let me just kill it first. Pretty sure I killed it. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Ooh, I could hit him all from behind. Ooh. Yes, attack so many people! Kill them all! Okay, now they're all fiercely mad. Okay, there's so much lag, I don't even know what's going on. Don't hit me! You guys are mean. I'll attack you both. Okay, one guy just exploded. Don't hit me. You know what happens when you hit me? KO for both of them? Are you kidding me? No! Don't hit them. What? There's another pig? No! This is not good enough. Okay. Yeah, you're dead. Basically dead. He looks like he exploded. Okay, got that. Ooh, level 4. Oh. Okay, guys, I think it's a good time to end this video here. I think I made a little bit amount of progress. Still amount. Better than nothing. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Why is it still recording?